I wanted to do I might have already done NVIDIA, but let's just do an update on it. So what we're looking at here is just a triangle, right? Let's make some of the triangle thicker just so we can kind of see what we're talking about here. So um, basically NVIDIA has been consolidating within this area, and all we care about is it breaking out. Which way it breaks out, we don't care. Right now, it looks like it wants to break out to the upside. And in order to break out to the upside, it's going to need to clear 192, 193. I look at this and I think that it's probably going to break out to the upside just based off of how many times it's come down to test this area. Let's look at it from this view first. Let's zoom in and we'll say, okay, at the blue line, if that's the triangle, you got 3 touches there, right? Now we go down to the hourly, we'll say, okay, we're kind of pushing towards a 4th touch. That 3rd touch there got rejected, but it got bought up today. And now tomorrow we would look for continuation higher. What we care about is this wedge that we got going on here. If we can find a trend line, find some momentum, that's what we're going to look at as our short-term breakout to see if it flows with the more medium, longer term view of the bigger triangle. So that's how you kind of do a top-down analysis, right? If you look at the red line, same situation, just a different point that you're starting at. It all comes down to the same point, really. So that's how you know 192, 193 price area is going to be your key point to monitor for a breakout. You want to look for strong, decisive price action, nothing choppy, nothing back and forth. Strong one way it want to go. Going forward from there, you say, okay, where's my targets? Your first target is going to be right here at 196 because that's the next level of supply that you got, right? Nothing major. I think you probably can, if the move is strong, you can probably get to that pretty easily. Then 204 is up next. 204 is coincides with the year-to-date anchor VWAP here, the bottom of the offset band that I have. So right at the bottom of that is the first place anchor VWAPs are the first. If I don't see clear levels of supply or demand, then I go to my anchor VWAPs and I say, okay, I want to play within that band to see how it goes. Let's say I don't even notice 204 is right here. I know that I want to be taking profit right at near my anchor VWAPs, right? And if you look at previous support, that could now act as resistance. So 208 is another area, right? So let's say that I don't even know about the anchor VWAP. I see that. You can't miss that. So you know 208, the 208 to 210 price area is going to be important. If you get through those, but I think those is very possible we make it there if it breaks out strong, right? Now the question is, what happens next? Do you come back down, retest, bounce? Do you come back down and just flush? Do you consolidate and then burst higher for a test of this 227 supply area? Either or is equally likely right now because we're not there. We don't see price action yet. We don't know. I can't look at it because I don't have any candles. The way I just looked at it, like for this, and kind of came to the conclusion that okay, we're moving higher. The tested that supply trend line, rejected, got bought up. So okay, it might actually continue to push higher. So we know what to look for. We don't know what will happen. We'll play whatever happens, but that's kind of how you do it. And just looking at your targets, that's how you look at targets. Where's the next supply? Where's my swing high anchor VWAP? Where was my previous support that can now act as resistance? Those kind of things, how you do it, just play it out like that. You'll be all right. Just keep your stops tight and come up with that level and know what you're looking for. And I'm looking for strong, decisive price action. And we go. So keep that on your watch list. Enjoy it. Hope it works out. We'll come back to it and see how it plays out in the next few days, next couple of weeks. So I'll catch y'all later. And definitely subscribe, turn the notification bell on, keep doing some videos. And I hope you guys enjoy the trade ideas.